Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Arena, your go-to channel for all things tech. So, are you ready for the sixth part of our Excel series? In this video also, I'll discuss 5 new questions with you. In our previous parts, we have covered 25 questions. So, let's start with our 26th question in today's video. Question number 26. How do you apply a filter to a range of data in Excel? Applying filters allows you to display only the rows that meet specific criteria, making it easier to analyze subsets of data. So, select the correct option from the following four. Option A. Use the sort feature from the data tab on the ribbon. Option B. Select the range of data, then click on the filter button in the data tab. Option C. Use the filter function. And option D. Press Ctrl plus F. So the correct answer is option B. Select the range of data, then click on the filter button in the data tab. Applying a filter will add drop-down arrows to the header row of your data range, allowing you to filter the data based on specific criteria for each column. Question number 27. What is the purpose of the index function in Excel? Okay, choose the correct option from the following four. Option A. To find the maximum value in a range of cells. Option B. To return the position of a value in a range of cells. Option C. To return a value from a specified row and column within a range. And option D. To concatenate text from multiple cells into one cell. So the correct answer is option C. To return a value from a specified row and column within a range. It takes three arguments: the range of cells, the row number, and the column number. For example, this formula would return the value from the second row and first column within the range A1 to C3. This function is particularly useful when combined with other functions like match for more complex lookups. Question number 28. How can you protect a worksheet to prevent others from editing it? Protecting a worksheet is important for maintaining the integrity of the data by restricting unauthorized changes. Here are the options for you. Choose the right one. Option A. Save the workbook as a read-only file. Option B. Use the Protect Sheet option from the Review tab on the ribbon. Option C. Hide the Worksheet tab. And option D. Use the Data Validation feature. So the right option is B. Use the Protect Sheet option from the Review tab on the ribbon. This allows you to set a password and specify what actions are permitted, such as selecting cells, formatting cells, or inserting rows. Protecting the sheet ensures that only authorized users can make changes to the content. Question number 29. What is the purpose of the match function in Excel? Alright, here are the options for you. Select the right one. Option A. To return a value from a specified row and column within a range. Option B. To find the relative position of a value within a range. Option C. To count the number of cells in a range that meets specific criteria. And option D. To perform a vertical lookup in a table and return a corresponding value from a specified column. So the right answer is option B. To find the relative position of a value within a range. The match function is essential for finding the relative position of a value within a range, which is useful for lookups. It takes three arguments: the lookup value, the lookup array, and the match type. For example, this formula would return the position of apple within the range A1 to A5. This function is often used in combination with the index function for more complex lookup operations. We already saw this in our previous question when we were talking about index function, right? So, the last question of today's video. Question number 30. How do you create a pivot table in Excel? Creating pivot tables is crucial for summarizing, analyzing, exploring, and presenting large amounts of data. Okay, here are the four options. Select the correct one. Option A. Use the sum function to manually create summaries. Option B. Select the data range, then go to Insert tab and click on Pivot Table. Option C. Use the Data Analysis tool pack. And option D. Use the VLOOKUP function to create summaries. So the correct answer is option B. Select the data range, then go to Insert tab and click on Pivot Table. This action opens the Create Pivot Table dialog box, where you can choose the data range and the location for the pivot table. Pivot tables allow you to quickly and easily summarize large datasets, perform data analysis, and generate insightful reports by dragging and dropping fields into the rows, columns, values, and filters areas. That was all for today. We'll move to next questions in the next video.
If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Techness Arena for more informative insights. And I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.